Have you ever wondered why choosing the right plastics is so crucial in new product design? Let DesignForge break it down in 30 seconds. Polymers, usually called plastics, are popular due to their versatility and cost-effectiveness and mass production efficiency. Understanding them is vital for making informed design decisions. Take polyethylene, PE, for example. It's durable, impact-resistant, and most commonly used for packaging. Polypropylene, PP, and its derivatives are light and heat-resistant, perfect for containers, household products, and automotive parts. And last but definitely not least, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, or ABS. It's super tough, glossy, and ideal for tough working products like electronics, toys, and appliances. At DesignForge, we routinely 3D print these materials, meaning these plastics excel in prototyping, making future injection molding, machining, and mass production more efficiently and less costly. Understanding polymers can transform your designs. Let the material experts at DesignForge Engineering do the heavy lifting. Stay innovative with the right materials. Contact DesignForge today.